Hello listeners, a warm welcome everyone. Today we'll know how you differentiate a living and non-living organism. What different characteristics a living organism has. So let's jump into the topic. If we chemically analyze a living organism, a plant or animal, we find that it is made up of carbon, oxygen, hydrogen, nitrogen and few other elements. However, a mixture of those elements doesn't make a living organism. Then how do we define life? It is difficult to arrive at a universal definition of life. Nevertheless, it is possible to characterize living things. We may say that living organisms are those characterized by these following features. The first one is organization. All living organisms have a definite shape and size as well as physical and chemical composition inherited from their parents. This is possible because of a high degree of organization. The molecules of which an organism is made up are organized into cells, which in turn organized into tissues, organs, and organ systems, making the whole individual. This kind of complex organization is not found in non-living things. Second one is metabolism. Green plants obtain their nourishment from the environment in the form of water, carbon dioxide, and certain minerals which are utilized to synthesize carbohydrates during photosynthesis. Carbohydrates are broken down during respiration and the energy thus released is used to synthesize other organic compounds like lipids, proteins, nucleic acids, etc., which make up the body. Animals, bacteria, and fungi, on the other hand, obtain nourishment in the form of organic compounds and utilize them to synthesize compounds they need. Such reactions do not occur in non-living objects. The third one is growth and development. Living organisms often arise from a single cell which divides and redivides to form a large number of cells that differentiate into various organisms of the body. These kind of phenomena are not known in the living world, non-living world. The fourth one is reproduction. Living organisms, unlike non-living, are universally recognized by their capacity to multiply their own types of means of asexual or asexual reproduction. The fifth one is responsiveness. All living organisms respond to stimuli. Example, roots move towards the earth and shoots toward the sun. Stomachs open during the day and close during the nights, and the dog wags its tail on seeing its master. This kind of response doesn't occur in the non-living. The sixth one is adaptation. Organisms have their ability to adapt themselves to the needs of the environment, which helps them to survive. For example, plants growing in the saline soils have a high concentration of salts in their body, and those in deserts have few leaves with thick waxy coatings. Likewise, animals living in cold climates have a thick coat of hair on the body, and a chameleon can change its body color according to its surroundings. Thank you listeners. In this video we have seen the characteristics of living organisms which are making us unique from the non-living thing. We see more about the biology things in our next videos. Thank you again.